Hello friends, hi. This is Nikita Somani here. So today I am here with a very new topic. I am going to talk about patience. I know many a times we have this difficulty of keeping us patient because whatever we start or whatever we are going to with working hard, you need to be a bit patient. Look at the very interesting slide which I'm going to show you right away, how being patient can improve things, and let me know your feedbacks after listening to those slides. The great example of patience can be a tree wherein you sow a seed, then you wait, you water it. There are so many summers, winters, every season is gone. Then it may take around 5 years, 10 years, next 15 years, or maybe many more than that. And then the tree is grown. The tree is grown, and then the fruits. Many things, whatever you start, takes some time. And that with time, you need to be a little patient. I have made a small slide to understand how does patience lead to great achievements or achieving your small targets or maybe a long-term goal. So maybe this video helps you with a thing called as patience. So there we go. This slide is something which says that on day 0 there are many people waiting to achieve something because some have started with the job, some have started with their own business, some have started with their own studies, some have started with their own kind of content or anything which they are passionate of, achieving some goal or the other. There are different targets of this multiple people. There is huge crowd you can waiting for their future endeavors, whatever they are building today, whatever they are sowing today on day 0. And people being so impatient think that instantly they get some result, but that doesn't happen. Maybe this crowd is not thinking of achieving those targets in parts, and they seems to be jumping from 0 to 100, and eventually nobody is able to achieve that 100. So if people don't see instant results, they tend to forget things. There is some solution to every problem. So what can be the solution of this problem? So there is very simple solution this problem has got. So on the screen here you can see there are few people, not a crowd. There are only few people from that crowd who is willing to achieve those small targets. Set those targets. Know what is the nearest goal of yours. So let's see the mindset of the few people, that what they think about their targets, about their goal, about their long-term vision. See how they have achieved those milestones. See, from 0 to 10, and then after achieving that 10, they're looking forward for 20, and then after 20 they are looking forward for 30, then 40, and so on, and 100. So after working on small targets, it becomes very easy to achieve the long-term vision. You know that you're going to do something, then work for it daily. Day 1, set the target, achieve it. That's it. Clap for yourself. Then day 2, achieve something, clap for yourself, and plan for the next day. Plan is ready, you're doing hard work, but being patient is very much important. So this is how you can achieve all your milestones. Right? See that how these people have achieved their milestone. So in car also, when you are traveling, you cannot see or you cannot predict what is the future road of your journey. So after seeing this picture, I can say that we can only see the nearest vision. Break your targets into small parts, and how can that be done is the nearest vision, what you can clearly see or you can clearly achieve, which can help you to easily achieve the tasks. So plan for that, work hard and be patient. Things will find its way to achieve that thing for you. Only vision which can be clearly seen. So you should achieve them first and then think for the next achievements. We should divide our goal into small parts and small targets, and we should achieve them first. So what happens during this process is being patient becomes easier, as to move from 0 to 10, you know that 10 is going to be soon achieved. So your patience level is handled so easily till 10, and then you build the patience again, and then it is achieved from 10 to 20. from 20 to 30 and you know all your plans, how you should achieve them. So it's very easy that being patient becomes easier when you know what you have to do next. And then if you know what is to be done next, you should not wait. Set small targets, go, achieve them, feel proud for yourself, clap for yourself, celebrate that you have achieved a small milestone. As soon as you finish your small target, first target, your vision towards the next target seems very clear again. Because on 0, 20 was not clear, and after you reach 10, then your vision for 20 is very much clear. So achieve those milestones and then you can see your next target and repeat this process till you achieve what you wanted. You can share your experiences in the comment box that how patience helped you to achieve your targets. Thank you so much guys for watching my video till here. So if you like the content of this type, then I'll be making more such videos for you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a very nice day. All the very best for your all future milestones, targets, goals and everything.
If you like this video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you.